of exponents. By the end of the day, hopefully we can use multiplication properties of exponents. You're going to see what those properties are. We're going to learn 2 properties today. We got a total of 8 to learn before our first quiz coming up. Now I think it's Friday because of the snow day. Trouble here. All right.
Maybe because
let's try.
Recording and
I thought it was going to work. There we go. Let's see. Oh, all right. Here it is. It showed up. I don't know why PowerPoint does that every once in a while. It sticks it up there. I don't know. X to the third, see how the colored boxes here match up, literally means x times x times x, doesn't it? Where x to the fourth literally means x times x times x times x, 4 of them. So if you counted them, physically counted them, you would have how many? 7, just like we said earlier. But this one isn't bad to write out all these x's for. But imagine if it was x to the 33rd and x to the 44th. You want to write all those out? I don't think so. So we need a rule that will help us with this. And this rule is going to be adding the exponents. Before we get to the rule, though, we need to know what an exponent is. Obviously, the exponent, you should know where that is, right? It's always there. Now, what's this other thing called? A base. And it is crucial that you know what bases are. In this case, the base is x. So we're going to need to know that. Here's our rule. For exponents, if we're multiplying with like bases, you agree those are like bases? Yeah? If they're like bases, you're going to add the exponents, like so. In this case, A and B we can't add. This is what you call an algebraic example. There are no numbers at all. That's algebraic. They're all letters. That's just the rule. Obviously, you're not going to be doing problems like that, but you're going to be doing problems like this. What do you think? End of 3 plus 2 is? End of the fifth. End of the fifth. Now here's the long way to do it. 3 ends times 2 ends gives you a total of 5 ends. And then if you do it with the other rule, it's going to come up here equals n to the 3 plus 2, which is n to the 5th. I think this is much easier. I think you will too after time. Although if you need to think about it this way until you get a better grasp of it, do it. Till we understand a little better. Let's try on our own the evens here. See if we can get those. Just write them down and do them real quick. Oh yeah, Macon, I take, all right, check notes.
So one of these circles.
Oh, you do? Well, you can do them right on that PowerPoint then. If you haven't put them on. Just write them right on there. That's the best way. Some days I'll just do note checks where I have to turn in your notes, but most of the time I just check them in your notebook when you turn that in.
Even report doesn't have, it has like the
Do what you can. It's all right to make mistakes, Christian. We learn from mistakes. Think I was always perfect? I had to learn to be perfect.
You have some problems, David.
Are you done all right?
Yes. Smart.
Kelsey, you done?
I got it.
Yep.
I'll be 100% right.
Kelsey's done. Kelsey said you're done. What's the first? I keep getting emails. What's the first? K to the 11th. Do we agree? Thumbs up or disagree? Thumbs down.
Yes.
I see a lot of agreement. That sounds good to me. 5 plus 6 is 11. You can add. I'm proud of you. How about this one?
8A.
Hold on. Let's Norm meet this one. He has his hand up. What'd you get?
He's a genius there.
8x to the 8. Do we agree? Thumbs up. Nobody disagrees?
Good deal.
No one disagreement.
Oh, crap. I got it wrong.
No, it's right. But I tried to talk to you into
Oh, okay.
disagreeing. numbers. This one is the first one we had with numbers in it, meaning numbers here in front of the bases. The numbers don't change. 2 times 4. Just 2 times 4. That's 8. Okay? But our exponents are what we add. A lot of people get caught up in, oh, I got to add, and they say 2 plus 4 is 6. Can't do that. Numbers stay the same. These are rules for exponents. So, this one. Good. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6a to the 6th power. We agree? I do. 4 plus 2 is 6. A to the 6th power. Now notice, every one of these had like, whoops, I forgot to pick up the pen. Had like bases, didn't they? K and K, X and X, A and A. Okay? We'll start to get in some non-like bases. Anybody's had me before tell them why that the answers are all in here, along with the steps?
You don't know the answer when you're name or something. So you can look on the computer.
Yes. So the PowerPoint walks you through the notes. So you get the notes at home.
Oh, yeah.
If you need help, or if you forget how to do it, you can walk back through the notes from the day. You just won't have my lovely voice